Ahmad fucking Diallo. What next, fam? What next? People, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rome. You're watching the fourth official. How you guys doing? Please, before we go any further, drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go, fam. Let's go. We've seen Jadon Sancho up and leave Manchester United. We've seen Cristiano Ronaldo up and leave Manchester United. And we saw them leave, and we were like, I can see why Ronaldo kind of lost his legs in the Premier League. He's doing well at El Nassr in Qatar. Fine. We've seen Jadon Sancho. He just scored the other day, but he hasn't been playing too well in the Bundesliga. And we can say, all right, yeah, this the man kind of sort of, both of you guys. So, all right, fine. My question to you people is, what the fuck has Ahmad done? Or what didn't he do? Or maybe he was maybe Manchester United offer him a contract with no guaranteed playing time, and he said, no, I'm not do that. What the fuck could have happened why Amad Diallo, today after all days, deleted every single tweet that and Instagram post he has of Manchester United as a Manchester United player? What? Jadon Sancho can see him account altogether when he go through mental thing or whatever happened to him. But the man can say every single picture he had for Manchester United. And just 2 days ago, Iman Garnacho in the dressing room laughing and talking about how good, how bad. So I need to know what the fuck has happened, because right now it looks like Amad Diallo will be leaving. You guys know me. I've been watching Amad Diallo since the moment he joined back in 2021. Yeah. First thing in though, go Rangers. Rangers turned up very well when they start off. First goal, first game, and then just differed down in the first half of the season. And what they do, he went down in the championship, and the man lay a claim for the championship. Sunderland was never real again after him. Amad Diallo was great with link-up play. Combine 2-3 players, boom, score. It was good taking on people, one-on-one, good score. It was good defensively as well on the right-hand side. Very good. Amad Diallo was everything you needed in a winger, except for the blistering pace. No, don't get me wrong. Garnacho is filled with good pace. Rashford is filled with good pace. Garnacho is not. No, I'm wondering, is that the reason why Eric Ten Hag hasn't played him or refuses to play him? Because he's been injury free ever since what? October, November, and he still hasn't played him as much as he should be. He man played 3 games so far. 3 blood clot games so far. Meanwhile, the Brazilian fidget Bcoz every game he might play, here or there. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes. You see Anthony come on the field. But we don't see Ahmad. Why? Eric Ten Hag, I've lost all hope in you, fam. I'm going to say that right now. I have lost all hope in you. I had so much. Last year was just an encouraging season. Last year was famously encouraging. But I saw the hints of him not wanting to play certain youth players. When Garner left the club last year, a year before last year, I was like, what the fuck is going on? Why is Garner not playing? Garner left and got Everton and play every Bumbo-clock game. And you are telling me, you're going to look at me and tell me that Ahmad cannot do a better job than the Brazilian Figitspinner. You are telling me that Ahmad cannot come on as a 20-minute, 30-minute substitution on the right-hand side? If either Rashford or Garnacho, so one of them can come off and make the man play on the right-hand side. He's good at keeping the ball, something that we have not done for months and months, fam. He's very good at taking on people one-on-one. You see that in your train that you send out to us every fucking week. Why is it that you are not playing Ahmad? And why is it that now he's deleted all of his fucking tweets? Why? That's what I want to know. Why? Because right now I'm going to lose the fact that as a Manchester United fan, I want to see Ahmad play, but I'm not going to see him play because he's going to leave the club in the summer. I know Manchester United have got 4-year contract with him, and probably then in third year. We're not going to see him next year because of you, Eric Ten Hag. So I'm going to ask you, why are you not playing Ahmad, or will you leave in the summer? That's all I'm have to say. Will you fucking leave in the summer? Because we need players who have quality, players who can hold on the ball, players who can do something and make something out of nothing. And the Ahmad is that type of player. That's why I spend 33 million on the bumbo clock, man. People, I don't know what's going on at Manchester United, but every week is another story. Every week is another bumbo clock story. I just want to watch football. I don't want to bug about bumbo clock. I just want to watch football. I just want to see how Arsenal fans them happy. You see how Liverpool fans happy. You see how bumbo clock Man City fans happy. Why the fuck can't we be happy, blood? What the fuck, yo? Why do we have a stress every fucking week, brother? Fuck it, yo. People, just like on the video, subscribe, don't there for brand new. Best of yourself, best of others, Manaz.